at the moment we can't actually get to the end of the pack out drawers because we'd have to reach in and jump up in there. So you might have more materials in the way, a bit hard, so that's why we created our slider. So we can pull that out. You can see now I can get to both these drawers easy without jumping into the ute, getting what I need, then we can slide that back and job's done. Close that up. Hey guys, it's Luke from 3D Pro. We've just got our Packout Dual Slider here that we're going to unbox and install in our tub, and we'll show you step by step. The box cover, and from here, so it comes fully assembled for you guys, and it comes with all the bolts and nuts when you're adding your walls and shelving on top, if you're going to do that. But yeah, we'll get this unwrapped and we'll keep going. All right, so we've got rid of all the packaging and the cardboard box. And as you can see, it comes pre-assembled. This version, we've got the new black triggers, so it blends in nicely. And it's pre-assembled, so all we do is just bolt it down and it's ready to go. All right, so as you come closer here in the base of the Packout slider, we've got 12 5mm holes. These are for mounting it to your vehicle. You might need to go a bit bigger and drill these out, depending on your situation. But let's get this bolted down in there and let's go from there. So the next step is to put your Packout slider in the position you want it so we can screw it into the tub. Just got to be watch out for the triggers. So when this is closing, this is right up to it. And also I've got it far as right as possible because of the wheel arch. So I've lined that up. So I'm just going to use the Mark Mate pen to mark it out and get this screwed in. Let's open this up so we can get to the holes on the bottom side, and then we'll jump in the tub and mark them all out. So I've jumped in the tub now, so we're just going to mark out all the holes so we can drill it in. Like I said before, we've got 12 pre-made holes. You might have to drill your own holes depending on where you're mounting it if it doesn't quite line up to what you need it to. But we'll do these and we'll drill this in. Now we've got green marks so we can drill. Just a disclaimer to please check underneath your car for any gas lines or electrical wiring that you're not going to hit it. So please check beforehand before you go and drill everything. But we've already done that, so we're going to go ahead and pre-drill them now. We've got our screw box here, so we're going to grab some little self-thread screws. Got our 8mm bit here. So we'll grab them. We know exactly where these are because we're using 3D Pro dividers, of course. But let's get that. And we've got an 8mm bit here, so change that over. And we'll screw these in. Get our screws and line up our Packout slider with our pre-made holes and screw it all in. So we've screwed it all down to our liking and let's test it. So push all the way back. That's going to lock into place fully out. Close it up, it's not going to foul the tub, and we'll fully extend it now. Full extension, and we'll lock out at the end. So now that's not going to push back in without pushing the triggers in. So we'll use our Packout that I prepared earlier and clip the Packout in. Now your Packout's not going anywhere. Close this back up and pack up is done. That's why we created our slider, so we can pull that out. And you can see now I can get to both these drawers easy without jumping into the ute, getting what I need, then we can slide that back and job's done. Close that, go enjoy the weekend, go fishing, go play basketball, do something better than working.